Can the Wood-Mizer LT40 lift this 15-foot, 27-inch diameter ash log? Let's find out. Oh my God. No shot. How did I get all the way to this stage and not hit any metal? And then I hit a damn nail. After hitting that nail, I did not change the blade on the mill because I spun it around and it really only nicked 2 blades on it. So you can see a little bit of bandsaw marks in here now because of the teeth being a little bit messed up, but these are going to go through a 4-way molder anyway, so all that'll come out in that process.